Hello and welcome to the Java Logical Programming course. This is Bharat Reddy. I'm a software architect and best-selling instructor. And I'll be doing my best to help you make the maximum out of this course.
You will start this course by working on programs using numeric types or numbers. You will reverse a given number, check if the number is palindrome or not, check if a given number is an even number, perfect number, and more. You will then move on to work with strings by reversing a string, checking if a given string is a palindrome or not in different ways, remove the characters from a given string, find duplicate characters, and also check the order of the string and more. You will master the concept of recursion and use it to work on various programs or use cases. Arrays and matrices are very important for real-time applications. You will be working on various arrays programs starting with finding the minimum and maximum in an array, identifying the mini peaks within a given array, reversing the elements in an array. You will create a matrix by taking the user input, print the diagonal elements of a matrix, transpose the matrix, check if a given matrix is symmetric or not, swap the columns in a matrix as well. Patterns are very important for interviews. You will use various loops to print particular pattern such as a right triangle pattern, mirrored right triangle pattern, Pascal's triangle, sandglass, and more. You will then master the key concept of algorithm complexity, the time and space complexity, and you will apply that knowledge while working on sorting algorithms such as bubble sort. You will enhance the bubble sort by improving the time complexity. You will also work on quick sort and insertion sort. You will not stop there. You will go search using the linear search and binary search as well.